There we go. Silly Nikki. What you gonna do? What are you gonna do? To get it? Gonna get it? Let's go back in our cave. Wait to pounce. That's it. Get it, 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 get it. That's a good boy. That's a good boy. That's it. Floor's a little slippery, isn't it? Yeah. Miss that rug, don't you? Arr. What you gonna do? What you gonna do? Get it? Get it? Come on, lazy cat. That's it. Get it, get it, get it, get it, get it. Get it. It's weak. Look, it can't barely get away. There you go. Get it. Get it. That's it. Getting around your tail. Nikki, what are you gonna do? Getting tired, so you gotta get the easy prey. Get the easy prey. Well, that was easy. That's it. The greatest killers in the animal kingdom, the kitty cats. Get it, Nikki. Don't let it get away. You're gonna play with your food. You're playing with your food again. It's because you got a full belly of kitty cat food. That's a good boy. Good boy. Are we done? Are we done? We might be done. But you put it away, then you. There. How's that? It's all gone. All gone. Say bye, Nikki. Bye, Nikki.